Lotus, an aquatic flower that grows in lakes and rivers, is mainly used in ritualistic worship and other purposes. Yet, many are ignorant the fact that all parts of the lotus flower plant are edible. The flowers are dried and used as salads. The seeds are roasted or candied and used directly in soups and sauces. TOMTV has an exclusive report.
Tongbram Bijayashanti,
aged 27 years, daughter of
Tongbram
Joy Kumar and Haisnam Sanahal from Thanga Tongbram in Bishnupur district, is the eldest of 3 siblings. Bijayashanti, a BSc in botany from GP Women's College, Imphal, inspired by one of her father's friends, has shown the world the numerous benefits of lotus, ranging from its leaves to the stems and the roots. The flowers, seeds, leaves and parts of the underground stem are used in making medicine. The young graduate has started a unique venture from spinning yarn from the stalks of lotus, involving many women from her locality to generate income. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, Bijayashanti has trained 40 women under the startup program sponsored by the Manipur government.
Lotus se akogi variety of lotus all over world the fangiba lotus se collection tawraga mafam amada garden semge hena adui matung tarakpada aise product su puthoke hena tawraga ahanbada aise lotus tea gi kana chelame product puthok ke hena adagi product se agi machinery gumba facility ke ya leita badagi LBI na live incubation center to champur da chatlakanda aise lotus tea je product develop tawraba matung da aisa amu Gujarat ta testing gi lab analysis ki damakta thaki 2019 gi matam sida adugi report la aba matung matam khara adum aise leire duga sigi agi fiber gi matang si hai taragadi 2018 da fiber si adum hawkibane fiber sina amka ingonda wakhal da sum pawan gi base khoi gi baba gi friend ama khakna sum lamkoi ru bada thengnarak badagi ingonda wori gumba sabiram badagi aina sum trial oina sum tawgi badagi acd tawba yani haraga imaiven khara pulaga thabok se sumai paikha charapa.
Bijayashanti said she started spinning yarn out of the lotus stalks after a research based on the idea she got from an elder. Prior to this, she tried making lotus tea, but due to the pandemic, delivery of the equipment she ordered was delayed. The young entrepreneur has also appealed to the government for funding her so that she can promote and develop her lotus farm. She said that she has already started preparing nurseries for the farm, but waiting for fund.
Agi thabosida government ki site gi su mateng phangjare mateng se kaina da startup Manipur aina sem na hodok piri ba honorable sem na hodok piri program sigi makhada ai idea stage ta selection tawjaraga handak Manipur startup conclave da aido sanction khara phangjare hariba mateng sina su aise mi mayam ma haidi hanada gi leramba khoi kun tara leram Tara kun muk leram basida hena mafam da training pibagi khudong chaba masu phangale togi damaksu yam thagat chari honorable sem bo hanba leitana.